It's a straight shot to Dream Mountain. Nothing will go wrong.
What's wrong?
Nothing. Just a little loose here or there. Whoops.
A little? We better deal with this or we aren't going anywhere. Almost got it.
That feels tight, real boy.
And by the way, my name is Richard.
Richard, huh? Funny. You don't look like a Richard.
Then what do I look like?
A real boy.
Better?
Much better, thank you. Where'd you learn that?
I'm into building models. You know, airplanes, cars. And somehow, there's always one of these left over.
Keep it. Now let's roll.